Now I'm certain that every guy watching this video can relate to this face or reaction. A face that you make after being dumped by that one girl you thought would never dump you, and that is what happened to Hlathi this week on Inimba. So I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, every female in this country, South Africa, has been waiting for this day. A day where Uzoleka dumps Hlathi. So it was impossible for Hlathi to survive all of those wishes. Phela imbokodo le. Uma ngabe ufuna something yenzeka noma inini noma ikephi. On this week Friday's episode of Inimba, Uzoleka finally dumped Hlathi, and as we all know, she's now going to be with Lazarus, but I'll create a separate video on that. So, after he was dumped, Hlathi couldn't believe it. In fact, ubecabanga ukuthi he still has a chance, but Uzole was not there anymore. Hlathi uhluleke noma esezama ukuncenga, thinking that he can manipulate Uzo like he always does, but that failed as well. And it looks like Uzole didn't just dump Hlathi. She also threw him out of the house. Imagine, uthe udadewabo esathi kwamabandla ba and I know it for a fact that for most viewers of Inimba, this is going to be the most satisfying picture of this week. A picture where Zoleka throws away Hlathi's clothes. Now, the question is, where will Hlathi go? Is he going to go back to Tumega? Phela, I don't think that Tumega and the kids are going to allow Hlathi to come back, especially after the way that he left. And it's funny because Zoleka and Hlathi are married, so I wonder what is going to happen. I can't wait to see if whether Hlathi will demand 50% of Zoleka's assets or he'll just divorce her and let the process go smoothly. Hey, I really think Inimba is going to be fire in these upcoming weeks. I really can't wait to watch. So guys, comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. So with all that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.